How to log out of Cookie Run OvenBreak account. So before you do this, make sure you have a account linked like this over here. In the link device section in your settings, it's gonna say your account is successfully linked. Once it is, you should be able to go on with the next step. It's gonna say log out over here, but that's a different thing. It doesn't actually log out from this account. It's just gonna unlink that, and if you do that, you could lose all your progress. So don't log out from that. That's a different thing. So you could go ahead and directly uninstall your game, but most of the times, you will be able to get your data back and your progress as if nothing really happened. So you can go ahead into your settings over here and then just search for apps. Then inside your apps, you can search for the Cookie Run OvenBreak game. Hope I said that the first time, but you could search for it or you could scroll for it until you find the actual game. So once you're there, you can go ahead and clear all data. Unfortunately, this will cause you to re-download all of the assets again. But once you do, you'll be back to the login screen. Or if you haven't gotten to that section yet, you should be able to get back here to the main screen and be able to load your account by pressing on the change device section and then press on load account. So you can enter the link code as well, and if you want this, select the type of device you want to link to. That's where you'll be able to get the link code as well. That is one of the ways you can log out of Cookie Run OvenBreak account. Usually most users just uninstall their game or clear all their data so that it pretty much resets the game itself. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.